How to start trading Forex in 5 minutes, even if you're a total beginner. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Drew Taylor with Digital Nomad University, and today we're going to be speaking about Forex trading. Forex trading is something that I've jumped into over the last 3 years, and it has been completely life-changing for me. I always used to think that entrepreneurship was the fastest way to freedom until I started trading. Now, my journey doesn't exactly start like that. I never really wanted to learn how to trade, but I got introduced to the area of expert advisors or AI software about 3 years ago. And that's really what kicked off my interest in the market. If you guys have seen some of my other videos, you know that I still leverage software today, and it is what allows me to be a profitable trader month over month. So Forex is the foreign exchange market. And essentially what it is the largest market in the world where currencies are traded against each other, right? You've got the US dollar, you've got the Japanese yen, Great Britain pound, Australian dollar, you name it. This is a massive market, the largest market in the world, about $6.3 trillion a day versus worth of trades happening every single day. So there's a lot of volume in that market. So Wiki here says, Forex and foreign exchange redirect here, right? So Forex, foreign exchange, same thing. Foreign exchange market, Forex, FX, or currency market is a global decentralized over-the-counter market. And we're going back here. There we go. Over-the-counter market for the trading of currencies. The market determines foreign exchange rates for every currency. It includes all aspects of buying, selling, and exchanging currencies at current or determined prices. In terms of trading volume, it's by far the largest market in the world, followed by the credit market. Huge, right? Absolutely massive. So what is cool about this is the Forex market, unlike the US stock market, which has set hours, Monday through Friday, the Forex market is the world market. So every major country and their currency is participating, which means that not only are we open 24 hours a day, but we're open for 5 full days a week. So long story short, no matter where you're at in the world, I know certain people like to trade, the New York Open and the stock market and everything. But the cool part about it is for people like myself and you who love to travel and love to work in other locations, this allows you to trade the market no matter where you're at, no matter what time zone, etc. So the Forex market has been incredible for me in order to allow me to, fulfill my passions and travel and really just get out of my normal zip code. So that is the Forex market. This is going to be TradingView, right? This is not exactly where you trade. You can trade through TradingView, but most of the time you're going to be trading through an application called MetaTrader 4, which we're going to jump into that here in just a moment. I'm going to explain things, how you can get your own demo account set up and actually get started trading. But first things first, like how are we spotting these moves in the market, right? All you guys see here, if this is brand new to you, is you're just seeing a bunch of candlesticks going up and down. You might not even know this is called candlestick. But ultimately, every single one of these little rectangles, these up and down rectangles, the blue, black, etc., each one of these represents a 4-hour time slot, right? Because I'm on the 4-hour chart. Now, if I go up to daily, each of these candles represents a day, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, right? Let's go back to the 4-hour. And so how do you know when to jump in? How do you know when to buy or sell, right? Well, the cool thing about the Forex market, especially when you're getting started, is you really have a 50-50 shot of calling which direction the market's going to go. Now, obviously, it's a bit more complicated than that, but ultimately, it can only go one of two ways: up, which is going to be in the sell direction or the buy direction, or down, which is going to be the sell direction. So when you place a trade, right? For example, if I placed a trade right down here, I'm like, hey, I want to place a buy right here where the market's at right now, right? It's been dropping down here for quite some time. And so my assumption is that the market's going to continue on up, right? So all I'm doing is I'm placing a buy trade. I might decide where I want to actually close this trade in profit. But obviously, if it goes against me and it drops, right, and the market drops, then you're going to be in the negative on your actual account, right? So let's get back out of here. So just kind of help you spot moves in the market, right? What we're looking for is direction. As you guys can see here, we've got this particular leg. The market is moving in a bearish direction or a sell direction. It's an awful circle, but hey, we're going to go with it. And so it is essentially showing you the direction that the market is currently trending in. What we always want to do is we want to trade with the trend. If it's been going this direction for quite some time, most people are like, well, it's got to come back the other way, right? Yes, in a sense, but more than likely you want to trade with the trend, never against the trend, which would be in a buy direction or an up direction, right? So that's just very simplistic, kind of like how to read moves in the market. If you guys obviously want more information on that, you guys can click the link down below. You can come into my private free Facebook group where I talk about trading, leveraging software, and several other online income streams so that you can get free faster. So now I'm going to go ahead and talk about what you guys need to do is in order to actually start practicing, right? When you're brand new to this, you don't want to just go throw $1,000, $10,000 into account and just press play, right? There's obviously some skill and some education that comes into this. So first thing you want to do is you actually want to go get a Forex broker. Boom. All right. So there's a ton of different Forex brokers, US-based brokers, international brokers that are unregulated. I prefer an international broker because the fees are much lower. I'll drop a link to a couple different brokerages down below that I personally use. You're welcome to check them out. And then once you set up an account with that broker, it's just like setting up, a Coinbase account or even an email account. They're going to ask for some simple information. They're going to have you verify your email. And then after that, you want to go ahead and go into the accounts page, right? Go into the accounts and create a new demo account, right? We're not going to go live. We're not going to put money in here yet. We're going to create a demo account so we can practice jumping on these charts, right? Once again, this is TradingView. And on TradingView, you can look at all sorts of different charts. You guys can see all the different pairs I have laid out over here. Everything from Forex pairs to heavy metals to indices to crypto. So cool part about it is once you can learn how to trade the Forex market, you can trade any market because you understand market structure and where the market's going. And like I said, I never was one who wanted to learn how to trade Forex. It just kind of happened just by circumstance in life. Lost a lot of money in the market and I realized, if I can lose money that fast, then I can absolutely make money that fast. And that's what started my trading journey. And so I hope this encourages you guys. So just to recap, in order to get started in Forex, right? You want to learn how to trade the market. You want to be able to actually understand direction, where things are going, a little bit of analysis so that you guys can actually make an informed decision on the trade you're about to place. 2, you want to get set up with a broker. And then 3, you want to get a demo account so you can actually start practice trading in the market. Practice with fake money, not real money, until you've got it down to a science. And then once the rule of thumb, the guys who taught me to trade at least, the rule of thumb is if you can take a demo account and double it without, blowing the account or without it taking multiple months. But if you can take a demo account and double it over the course of a couple months, maybe 2-3 months, maybe even 2 weeks, depending on how good you get, that's when you're ready to go live. So that's the rule of thumb that I stuck with when I first got started in Forex. I'm going to pass that along to you guys because it's been great for me. And then just practice. That's pretty much it, right? Few simple steps. Now, once again, if you guys want to learn more about Forex trading or you want to learn more about software that auto trades in the Forex market for you, make sure you connect with me down below. Go ahead and connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, and we'll be back up on TikTok here soon as well. Outside of that, if you guys got value out of this video, make sure you give me a subscribe, like the video, and also tap that notification bell so you guys can get notified on any future Forex, cryptos, or other entrepreneurial videos here in the future. So that's it, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you join the Facebook group. We'll get you all the education you need in there. And until then, you guys have a great one. We'll see you on the next video.